Okay, so this is where we left off last video. Let's come back here. So this is all this. Okay, let's close this up. And we're going to start styling this now. Okay, first, pop-up, position, static, display is flex, flex direction is column, align items, center, width 48, view width, margin 22 on top, on the sides will be auto, and 0 on the bottom. Background color is this one, FEF DFD, and border radius is 10 pixels. Okay, so let's look at this now. Okay, so it created the box. It should have a modal.css here, and should probably be linking to it. Okay, so now when we're done writing this here, we can just put it in the modal and it'll work automatically. But for now, I'm going to stay here. Okay, now here we're going to be styling things that are specific to the favorite color. Let me just copy this. I should copy it with a space. And I have no styles to add just to the favorite color, but I do to the H4. So margin is 32 pixels. 32 on top, 0 on the left and right, and 18 on the bottom. Okay, font size. Now I'm going to be using calc because calc is good for when you want it to be responsive, but you also want it to have a minimum possible value. So it'd be like saying 12 pixels plus 1.6 view width. So in this case, the font size will never get below 12 pixels. So it'll take whatever this is. It could be like 2 pixels or something, and then it'll say 2 plus 12. So that's what that's good for. Font weight 300. Border bottom 1 pixel. Solid and 222. And the last one here, padding 0, 2, view width, and 2 pixels. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so that's right. So you noticed that the padding, I probably should put padding above it. So it says it has a little bit of padding on the bottom, but it also has a little bit on the left and right, and then it has a border on the bottom. So that's why if you notice the border, like if you went here, let's just take out the padding. It just takes up the exact space of the, what is it, an H4? Yeah, it's an H4. So the border takes up the exact space, the exact width of the H4. So that's why I added some padding to the left and right with this. So that makes it so it just gets a little bit bigger. And then when you put a border underneath it, the border takes up the whole size of the H1, which is getting a little bit bigger on the left and right. So that's how you get that border. You could change it a little bit if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that though. Okay, now it's the color options. Color options, width 84%, and margin is 0, 10 pixels. Display flex direction row flex wrap, set it to wrap, and justify content center. Okay, now let's look at this. Okay, it didn't change anything. Okay, this is supposed to be color options, not color option. Okay, I get it. So now do more here. Okay, color option. This is a class actually. Okay, what I want to do here, I want to say color options, and then I want to put an H5. Select the H5 that's in the color options. Set the display to inline. Margin 8 pixels, 0, 12 pixels. Font size, calc. Okay, so it's 6 pixels plus 0.6 view width. And the font weight is 500. Okay, let's copy that. Favorite color, color options, and then dot color option. Margin, this is 0.4 view width. Okay, width should be 5 view width. Text align, center, display flex direction, column, and align items to center. Okay, I'm gonna copy this again. And then dot color preview. So let's look at what we have so far. Okay, now here we want to go to width, calc 16 pixels plus 1.7 view width. Height, it's going to be the same thing. I'm just going to type it again. Padding 0. Border radius to 100%. Display flex. Align items, center. And justify content, also in the center. Okay, so now let's see this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We should also have a button down here. Should be in this. Let me hide this. The color options right here should be a button. I don't want a type or a name. Okay, so update. class button, whoops. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so we have the button here. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. In the next video, we will style the button, we will create the hover effects, and we will add the check mark icon to the blue. Okay, so I'll see you there.